ekere within omogusiole ange n'abantu baminto either nabo nyororo murai lakini you stand out yogotena kwarokana buya mono asogotetea abantu bao
tiga tonyore na enkwane ago mwari mugutase ngencho Dennis Otebile ngakiruge kigangirwa kirukura ondeta yogo gochora kiritere gigo yatumeka mpaka twatora chicken pin anemono kurwa sorongoro usi unatoroche una mentioned nabo murai yago yasoka tebe bono inchendo inchengo kwana
muraria Clinton
yeah
jiga tona gotebi King Pin uno yomita kwana nege towe so kitokorore ko kora magende naende obe go champion amagania abana inji bao jiga tona tebe na munda gende discussing ni asori yoki kidogo binte bya King Pins bikabuga tigori bikabuga tigento getegura chotebe ngabona yokari it comes egegocha enchiragete korengana ebintu gokora ngabona se kwenyora nyachae really galvanized abakusibya sana and the late na temete kubeka abantamo you know to taka kubo King Pin botagete kororokana nayo kwana kurugusi what are your contribution as abakusi that's what I want to say as abara ibeto bakusi. It's not a matter of telling us you come out. Mucha gote abantu nganjo morai. To tebi kuwa kolire. Like now I want to say in a situation like an environment yore umugambi okoligas. To tebi nga nile tabane school. No kolete gento gete. Bono matiangi as much as ya minyogete negwete ruma nga bantu bajubiri ba murangiri muna bagusinto gweto gutwara wa party ego tobekamo so that when we bargain ekatoko chako gende edeve at least ndobugata stoko genda kuki nto genda munenge tugiya bagiya gachago mwete gachago gaserwa asweti mutume atamaite nga yaswa igobona into bagusi matiangi ndo kumukwana mo ndo teto kumukwana kya germete chikadi echi asoka cha matiangi asu to me I want to say etwa mnyaka bwangu etwa ngo tubeke egento gete kadi se murangu sa so that eka toko so ki kadi echoka twanya so kituma etingi tokoko tokokora lakini rende gusia ito so far so good jomo drango terika ki asoko soka bia agano manisha tobekamo abagaka buna baito na macho naibona chite igari tibes charuto agatama kagenda pia gatimoka abantu nabo bagwento kuturangiria tuikaranse kirogo tuteba nimaki ekigambire gikiagusi tutagitoka charo omonto ito na into abagusito so kyo monto kurugusi tali binde to uji Discord yo kwe abantu baratanga matiangi meta bagusito bangaina by the way it's good when we come together as kisses toko so kyo monto buna bagusi toma ya matoki gusiko wale to waji Discord bitina byo
criteria yo gochora na kyo gitara
bono no tebi kunga bono ira abantu bacholie gente getachorwa lakini kuna mwalimu daktari rogita tebire challenge ya berge yakobo umuntu ngo ikale bwepima as how far agende obo King Pin yobo gose omuntu le beyond the ordinary oikoso kebwetume omweshimwanya chae now the late na bwate bintu byae you know no ena mali aya omuntu nabakoranga ningenda ali ncharate ikondia akanyora libaga ligiya asoko galvanize that support y'abantu namba ibere inazmaja cyoko ligiya obonyankongo obo no isa negeti yaye kozyo obo King Pin no kwanda kokonya kurwanira abantu bao to kogenda kole nchara ngana abantu ko chikokonya aye ko korokananga onise konyora an opportunity go rabe nayo kurwanira yebwe it is very unfortunate criteria ge korokananga ingora abe in a position yo ko mobilize abantu ba minto mwanyagetinge ase a noble cause egentekia mwananchi aligeretinga oyo igango toira araso mwela kyomuya in terms of development kayo yago toira in terms of opportunities no enechigazi kayo yago toira omuntu rarokanenga na arochekyo it is almost assuredinga nero ko ego bonyankongo bona criteria na kie kionga inkiora be gokora what are the things you gokora bire mwana inji friendly bikorete to that level bono yo kwanza kugaya nunga bona bako be kingpin abako ba una babande ba beiro
tika so chakere na nda sengencho. Speaking of these kingpins ya ro kandrenga in our political matrix esabu wakeru umuntu ko bapochiti kwanza nori nani akona usemaji specifically kura sorongo ragu situ abere to kuiwa baraibako ruteranie byaranga neri tutaiya monto bwati monto gotokwandra. Do you think as a siasa chi kire sense ya Kenya it needs people like this abakuru kubono kingpins kero to kubono ko biskero ragu sina into tutayete ko so ase siasa chi serikali nan?
Siasa is competition, Clinton. Siasa and competition. Obora yo mate igobore competition here cutthroat. Level gete ko ikaya pakaya majikobanga it is live and dead. No nyeto iko kenyora mondo na akoranga na makweli ambera nga bono guankore. Look at the investment yekobego. People invest. Bono igakoboli obo MC on average you need not less than 5 million. Kobolio Bojumbe, on average, the whole country, you need not less than 30 to 50 million. Kobolio governor, you need beyond 250 million. Omonta spend 250 million, 50 million, 5 million, taira. Tali omo na bange. So, ikeko chayarete competition yere ndito enyi enkongupa. Bono monte karako gende ti igare prepared. Even if it means kobeka chinguruji ya chionzi arorege ko kanyore, that is it. Tofauti te yono bonyankongo monda ko linga na da ko be kingpin. It has not been easy nende it couldn't be easy as engenjo to iko kereterwa oyeke level ko manage ayabwe ko monyene kwa nyoranga bono mobilization skills chiao chia very well. The other day ko igwete media ke reporting amatiangyo ligiri international media firm ego cha como prepare buya. That is part of the investment you talk about. In the process you be president, there are things you prepare answer. Like you know when you are kingpin because you have andom bata gete ko tuara obonyamaji. Andom bata gete ko tuara numbers. Numbers you joko nyoro manya ko field MCS or ye majority leadership at the county assembly ya mo ibere sato. It is not easy ko invest. And the investment means we go and deep oligie that is possible to make sure nga kwa a level yo kwa spokesperson. So it doesn't come easy. There's a lot of investment and the risks the risky chirigoro na bobigo ko samba na boko kanga kwa Kenya alire onya bigo sambete monga wetire no bonyanko
teto ja soro mwari murugita en kwa mission wate abanga abo kingpin obiga totete to manyo monto yuganki akorire on the ground but keto go chabona as a matrix chia siasa kero kwanda siasa ngakego to benefit bosenga kego benefit abagusi kerego chensemo yo kurigia anemono ebirogo amagendro because kingpins yabagana bago tumeka in as much as that go scrutinize na isemo ontonki akorire ground what achievements yakorire
moralia teto como versuba no ane school montonaro kororo kori bintu bire extraordinary kipinizeri gete ochi kwebeka daya ekego china blessings wisdom your intelligence. It's not about ngakeke kubantebe nga want to become a kingpin ya Kisii County ose Kisii yaba Gusii. It's about na wakwana na wakwacha gontebe nga ngende kando tintebe nkimuntu yakorire lakini tetekotebi omoralia Clinton bonte yango boli omogambi ebintu biroko umuntu akoligere yorora ngo ibintu bakorere A B C D ndo boto yare rubo muntu to gobeka muntu libakio kunyakoge chugulio katinde to kwa no mugambi ete onde bwensi obusira kinende yani how friendly are you to the people. You can do small things. Those small things chitwale impact to the mwananchi. Lakini aho sokoligereria muna bona ntro naligeretie na ngaso mumuntu chigaba nchiro I'm sorry ndike mention yugusiga lakini tikangwa ne gaba lero nkwe ya Nairobi. Ngabana bakola chiringi sano lakini o subsidize ebintu geteiga abantu bago kalinda abana bago kesukuru prema. Okogenda muna bono naro yo kurukiaru MP Ndindi Nyoro ngayani esukuru abane bakuragira busa ese bono yasidie ngayara go era kuragiria. You know, there are smaller things you can do to mwananchi umwananchi akoreki ako itabe simbo mite garajete eto mu gweto kurwaria Nairobi mwakorere bintu geto ena ne chipasa rio korere geto gete ekera chaga igatoka ende wave togaka chikura so ondina ati nere tote mwakorere geto gete kere A B C D I J K patende geto nataka gotebia kemo aba gusiba ito ekero tuwakiru meteri tumuri ya biturunga gusiga kibuga mbokoreki mboro Taribo no bugambi bwacha no yekero kia moi boso mwana risoro sana no maetenga moi kango montobete a deputy vice president ya Kenya musi arenge aba gusiba kwa korte tena njai no marisi njo monto Ken Max lakini wala soma historia senjo ngaji politics you know gusionya ditogo chamo ya to chamo tuare kirenge kemo ibinde bya kingipini sibi gucha ngora utari buburi
abande ngoteba bale ngabo chamo igo nchero kobeka abantu amoteli buya obase ko basiri bonziamo kosoba eti bonziamo
tiga tuske bose atime tiyo director ne bose Aaron Ototo nare ase microphone karibu sana Aaron pole for what happened earlier but rende ase gikaro ketembe to gusangana kurigereria obora yoboiga bwangere gwesokia bo ukobeka too much investment as a kingpins Dennis yaika comment ngam kuranjia sobora yobo lakini umuntu gwesoka oecha usaba nanchi bamwa kumwamira una umwalimu Dennis yatabira asali akorra se ground ngaki uko kwandrenga neiga yobora yobo kingship kingship
tware kingpin of course talinga nige ndokere written on paper gosekera ronga karonge kire physical muntu go point out ngona re kingpin muno mwalimu daktari gutata bire nige ndokere getakere gocha yani naturally na atali ngenge dojo praga na karagna katanga ninche bono ngoteba kuruga bono ninche ngoteba kuruga ninche ngokwana then again token ke ngocha nga about kingpinero na spokesperson nero nibi interviews na birobyo mbibu ya kirali video nga kibigo changa kitoko nyongo na re kingpin nga kitoko nyongo na re spokesperson at the end of the day kingpin ya bango ikabali na babato yori again to about the negative side of having a kingpin nje I'm one of those people but again is to go to the kingpin ko say region akonyoro muntu naro ole incompetent p lakini akaba ko worship kingpin bakuraga ne kingpin how drive kingpin nero ko to mundu ne kota bunga ndatre kwende kingpin mame pagango muntu nero kaligura ali agene kingpin kingpin nero ko ari ndagere ya tege abande bali baba ngai ndimo ngota fanya ole ndagira mambia ya kare abile proba so that's the problem. I would like to give an example in a positive way. Originally constituent ko Kapsaret eso mujumbe ko Oscar Sudi akoru Oscar Sudi aseke masomo hayo yaigo yenaro rakita yo
boking pinimboyo
hayo yaigo lakini bono eso ko teba ngoko bara na angene kingipini oyoro muraibu ensomo ske William Ruto bono igo he has more say than even cabinet secretary. That's the truth. Bono igo oroche guys abantu bali in case karo abantu gosno mwana ukinete Kapsaret ata ko manyanga natagete ko manyana no go debate ndubwato ko ligera linga ki umujumbo wane go debate ya parliament for example kasi ya indanga no go debate na go etima swadeli tema go toka ara umujumbo ata hiyo where is he learning from ngi obukingi binyongi na bora nyo kwali bide ngawetane bide tsaito kuma lakini at the end of the day ngoli gatonga ki gasi iyo mujumbe nere legislative korosia machiko ere ninga kiago chugwa afford kwenye rozi lakini the only qualification the first qualification okaba cross ne kingpin tulija bona yo minister bali bana bali abangaini ngi batali ngene kingpin
and I don't mention niga kwaso kutakwana because umheshimiwa Sudi it's a fact niga kiaba jumbe bali batara kwana no se batara kukwana ebunge nene amagendo tutamanya sense mechi bunge chabonga kyaganda tikatoja sore Dennis tokwandre kingship ega arono machiri ko rwe hintigaringa abantu mbale bago cartels
walo funa na sigo
bibale ndo bibo lakini mbantu mbale kati ya kingship bo wegango ibali kwikera sala na nchi
my brother Clinton in politics there is no way uragenda that high otabwa chisiro nsa chipila toko ikabo kingpin yotara tira korunsa because what it is foundation yawo ikeben ne foundation ye tali bantu basomono tali bantu bagokuona buya lakini abantu mbale ogotwara bale aba science insa aliase okorosie ground you may not be so appealing na bora abeto imanye tikukuana buya toli oreta tomanye tibinte biguya lakini abantu mbaro bwatensa alia aba yo minto nyangiria machiko chika kotebanga obo kingpin yobo kobo yani at that level yobo ikere kingpin kingpin izali na ro korani abanga sometimes the political cartel usiga na bwa science kitchen cabinet na bali bawo ikere bintu na wo ebunga omugambi no muntu muyepi lakini abantu bamonjo kana ine abagumusageri tineri ndiye bako kwa omugambi arojinga mbuya bako ngwa yagoze representation yeye muyere ko batumanda matanga ngo batumande chishere wereba bagenda bakwana bebangu akilije na siasa ye bwatanga omuntu gago trust yoko e message nganyengirira segede kwanyira buya oranga kwa mu wakilishire buya basi trust yanzire ko build aba ebintu bino no Faransa yo kweroka nga engineer ego connect nenda tozo mare tipo engineer obwo oyo tai koligereri monebio kwamanya konyorenda at that level chingurwe chikose obo kingpin yobo chingurwe chiamachiri kobagwa abantu bali ogoikera embaroje naye lakini aba bataigo goikera bagoikera the other kingpins inside bao bamanya gotwara trade but the truth is to gotira up to that level otabugati bantu bande balensa the way they behave the way they conduct themselves no konyora se challenge here otambe no leadership if you are not very careful no etora touch base go ikonyore problem ya that is why okonyora obora he walo a government nebuat national intelligence yene here gokonya omorai or the throne omanyangi kagendarat and they take that information seriously. It is a duty yoko manyanga a duty ya NIS to report to the president ingi kagendarat in as much as yora basekonyora information ya from your people on the ground abantu bane boko boke ground ngoko abali information nere batay goko nere ko mayokonyora from the other line yere parallel kwanyora go chibeka chionsi amo kwa igunki kere so in any way obo kingpin imbo challenges ichia the other it is possible emergence of other kingpins I'll take an example here the former president Uhuru Kenyatta he had appeared oyo jetakoba a deputy president Rigathi Gachagua akalan the way he was doing his things ekero ya igetenga kiyogo tigana epie na baya jete kate balende bune kingpin yaka gore binta kate bo no monto olenge ko lie binto bya enjera ale ko biria nanje jinda ali ngonya ko soma na alenge binto biro bitatu obeirga ko rumo fuano we ngaki aga kingpin bago gago kina baka gabe kingpin that is the level
tito ya somo maso ko rasen en kwanega ya kingpins mwalimu rogito kingmanship wega nkoretere unity because twarara se kuna Dennis amachiriko hint ababa kebago kina they tend to take over either by coup or by force ngocheri yareta unity asenge njondire gwikira so muntu bano bateba kingimanie ito oyorosire bono twamurusiri waro kuna for example in Central which Uhuru Kenyatta nabe spokesperson ga aliase for a very long time akaima JPA yae iga take over in as much as ogata ya bado tarando yochire ngocheri yareta unity ya so mwananchi kawaida
mona ligaki tatu enda Central ngogera mata njogera no manyete kingpin una nyai umo to takwana nebugate sam obokora ne kora no egotokera yani umuntu karote bam the kingpin kokori gisiasa leons abantu baro batete kwegeme umuntu rankonye n'uyu de torigererie siasa chia kori kurumaega bogere mata akimba so kwani tabogere ga
no mbogere
diria bogere ndia
na lielio
eme kero mwana no mogere tazo de naramba bogere you know it will come up umuntu soroka tu lakini asinye jare chama hii kingpin okoreki wakiruchukura komenya kwa chikateri uno oyo mythology okiateba Dennis nga
ba science
aba science batoko bagotebi ngabone eriga bakoira
Eti-
okobire
etiquette into togokwa
intogokwa eticket ekiagere kingipini yaitu okwanire Raila Amolo Odinga aya oretwa oteba ma aya mwe ukendegyo kendegyo iko bono issues of kingpins asa nalo chikobekia omuntu ore justified yani kingpins I'm not going to be against with what a kingpin. There are some kingpins para konye some regions lakini abangi ebagoteka advantage bachaka gukora ubukurumi bachaka gukora ubu science no yo mitateba bachaka gukora ubukora. You know, when you tell me I'm the king of the jungle, you are coming now rugitongo chate tukolina ro bugambi umeto gotebikare terase Clinton akwe kero arago bless the blessing that you went mukono mutubu wa ulambwi my brother
ene diaro investment bono
my friend I want to tell you in general resiase more especially in Nyanza kingpins they have taken an advantage on politicians ambao kama unajiona yangi cha kuliyo chikura you know I will be told that if you cannot associate yourself to a certain person you will never get it, so from there your dream dies and not there baraki.
Yes.
Yeah, you go on in my thinking, and this is my own thinking keringa ki kingpins mbaro ora charge amangana gachawa ekera ora ketu no uru mbua mokonyete akabumo science omungaini nje kura nyoro mugambe naro ro chora nyeka sigete kerombe soro tigansoro ne jagiro politics is about obokora obona siasa obokora yo doranya we todo na politics is gambling ekero kugambo yugambo to get anything ba ntobora bako gambo chi timu iti nera ba jamani yuko bwere mayabu
ni manya tenya ngiri ototo ngo chale lakini let me add something eyenecha yoko tuara chikingpin nenda chitwale chisiro obo maene nobo nonyengusi yeye ngaite mwaigure buna embeo yachire ingonde bwensi otakali go support majiangi omonto yo idale balimo omorogi kosetamanya tie gyao kora moigwe tie kipi eyune sabali yokorosi e kingpin etwa formula te but that is the truth. Beyond that onde bwensi otaigocha gukwana okobolie kero nendo otaigocha gukwana nganje na mbere mo motarange kura kara amatiangi ingoyo taigocha gochiande obo kingpin na bata inga goikebe serious investment nende ngochere with its fair share of challenges na bego go zamisha pi ndobwada baba Raphael Tuju tried to defy the odds in Luo Nyanza bikamosamba Peter ajora tu akakolega asiengia alenge minister amanyirenga oyo he was politically incorrect tajete kobeka bintu bya yabuya align ne kingpin epile yo tanyera ngane jeso igoro buya echikonyore beam kwa kule
aro noto gatocha so does it bring unity buna ababa tabanga kingpin ero kusema
ando tanya ko bago tena wieka ekingpin ngo tokere nga onyade ko ba o identify no muntu ya mo so muntu mo identify nere one of the biggest challenge yo ko tware kingpin neringa victimization ya bali bande bakoragara ngamba bate divergent opinion eko bere igoro we end up twatwara abarai tutare ko twara lakini ko be kingpin tonya to batwalde. I like giving a very good example mto denso rie kinanya unya oruli gore avare tuju one of them umongwa na rengoro kunga Agostine Neto oirete ekerogo kia indigwa that guy worked for 2 years ekero asirete former assistant minister ya internal security bale boliba ngena George Saitote ojode oyairete keroge that boy worked really well lakini endo kabanga tajiti kwa line buja na Moskrera Morodinga agakwesiko. Then I always give an example ya Williamson Odor, the deputy governor ya Siaya County. Under all circumstances, under normal circumstances, that could have been the best governor Siaya Rekoja Kutwara. lakini mungwana na batagambe bimune gavana ya Siaya gwetera asenga tari go subscribe to the kingpin na ande paka mambo na igamu na deputy governor ni gali victimized the moment yako mayundi ya beta impeached yenga ngo chiko impeached na ande go chege kaere go na baro tu yani just fair but wono dima ito se oborwali mbaro bwinteke but there is a solution always to every problem na ande akaroto kuligera solution to kanyara kuruchinze muna cha Britain na America chile far ahead in terms of democracy muna America ekingipin kadu Trump go Biden ekingipin ekiyama gekorumya Democrats with Republican it doesn't matter if Trump na gwanjite ustagwanjite you subscribe to the party tese ko ikabu na mtawada ngaki you have divergent opinion which is a party leader ose independence yolio taite lakini at the end of the day you subscribe to the party you have an equal chance ngoto yonega okobe ya kingpinship Obama yongo kutoka ngara ibire Kenya tango tekabona no MCA
nara yuko no mwancho murigeni ya kurase aba kwane ya studio ya baba tabanga kuko kinpinu wa kugocha mbubwata ya maya na boigo amabe na rororo na nemono ase batebire cartels mbarororo ase ensemeyo monganjire to nyara ko batokwira mutumo ko mokega ase studio ya kabere ase daika ya mutokwira na to so ase ensemeyo chisemi ase ngenja baro kiwa mwalimu achi gutumanyiga iganga kibya ari ganati ase ngenja matemna rero mutinyo o kabere o gatano na kabere aye kirasi ya 10 na kabere KCSE na bogo chikagurwa somo waziri nekyombekiri kya na kitochi kumanya mango mwancho muri mbya muna soko genda gusangana tu skare ase daika ya mwiga nkwira na to
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokia riso lyao chingaki ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumrang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design mbabwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene eduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi
Karibu sana nendo mwancho murigera sense mega ya kabire yege ikaro kya Getembe ne ensemo yo mwerio togendre gusanga ande mbyo mana sabari bagenda tego sanga nendo twarigereria mange kubwatikana no burayi bwa siasa ase abakwaneri nabo igabano gari bechi nsemo bono tiga turanyarko batogo so ase enseme iga yechisemi munganjire nchake no mwarimu Dennis Rugitanyarko bakaga dotebia sengencho i nerore actively asamangana iga umwalimu rogito tigato chake naye to enlighten yango hase kwa niaba y'umwancho murigere nabo igomor ko ryo skogari amatemo aiga a KCSE abo ente gokorwo mutinyo gatano na kabere. What are the factors and what brought it kaine kingane chiko by affected akorekana yo mutinyo gatano and was it necessary mutinyo gatano na kabere mwaka gati
morali iso kwa mboneria and kwa ndingete kiagaso sana government yeito ebintu bire to byokorwa olio kitemete na aso kolwa ni jaera meta na ile some honor
na recommended
kurumo ngambio bono to bwate
omokoro
kwa
uro
kwete ona mongo kwa no bosibole kumenya kwa mbekere kia kangitinza mata so okay
ona lies not like
nenda tai sawadi angete ninge kuanere baadaye
lakini abantu bamito na nebo tyawe bali baitoka it wasn't necessary for mati mwezi wa saba it is asengecho gochimotuni cyangwa tebye inkigegogera go justify nga it isn't necessary. Two, ni kama this thing it was done within their yani by karanze tu oma yete tifo tari bone gochikoera ya chagete gukwanira mapema si bisekera chagete ribone ya chaka planning ba gochagotera nga itifo fankwere ngabona batete kubeka a lot gete kora matemo tinyo saba nganda abantu bakora umutinyo kumnarimo nje to me as a teacher igendo keria no eko giachete koti keri ngwa kirukeresiko na ni kiago gara bono igento kora te yuma wa CS bono iga I could wish that I would draw even an appeal atema bana bakora matemo mutinyo kumnarimo narimo. You know, I was very much frustrated as a teacher omwana ara okota matemo form 4 2022 agaja form 2 anyo dedi abantu bakora 2023 let us be very sincere agaja form 3 kosa agaja form 2 for example. Now they are saying there will be nowhere umwana wako registered mutinyo kunalimo omwana kere nete sukuru ameki na bwa these challenges maybe muyuri yagakwa maybe taringe sukuru garwarete akaresi basi ya change ebitawo byo kabichenjeti akagenda mageka to form 2 uchakero so that anyore what he wants bono umwana obeza akata matem maybe akanya replay you are telling there is no option yo gukora matem a form 4 omuraria teto akesawe umwana we bono akande fee mbara bakande fee even for 2 years como seria como te bono ganyo matemo mutinyo saba amatemo yo mutinyo saba gara bakwa na korwe county morali de to enda biyana so de ya na baro barigire biyaba ekara ba to kuko ndege ntegega gakitorwa namo to bwate ndo na agriculture a project normally as an deputy academics agriculture ebugate chi milestone sato normally egoko abana basmeke bituma ose basmeka kingende omugondo bwesukuru bande tumbo boli ekara ba chakole county omugondo bwe bago chakole kino yoralia na no bagotenga ngabana bo gachi project ba sub county bachora bwesukuru umwari mukioyo ogochikoba kuba facilitate usukuba orokereria how to write even the projects makibago kora
tigato genda mo mwarimu ambarukiwa kiaba bagokora matemo mutinyo yo ugatano na kabere umwaka gatia
omutinyo gatano kabere batebeta barokiwa bari batete kuri pit bagorta matemo bagwete
2024
bairore na umukorero merimo yonsi pi osore cheste mekeigo bangwa trebia ono ekero kurya rigendekyo uranyora nga what will prepare me to go to my career emere meri ngwete na nota itankore onyo ni project ngokora maya bakora Kriton
bakoirora ase chisukuru chiri bakorete kuru
that's not the thing akio bana winto that's why kodenya serikali yetu ya Kenya ya twakire bobe egotwaka
so nimba some facts about it. Ila tabana umwalimu abarakiaba mwarkia unde kwense tatu koirora bono iga tariko enda goswa sukuru lie yetete gusende onse una bono na gweto motemo 2024 kwandi angiro liruga liko ligochese ministry no ligo sabali bagango mwana ya tatu koirora egere way forward emanyego emanyego chakuruse
ministry nere
kwa mwanga kioko kwa baranga kioko irora ibono muna bono mesaro kitale gare edebit academics tabuga turwasyo kwa mwanga ki aroni ototo na gweta matemgo chali ko irore school we era gwe kali kinande bono already gabu yabere bureaucracy asoire another thing mwarimu na rucheko tenga omwaro kyo yakorika amatemo koleje na 7500 so efali ya matemo yangu chikokora na 7500 na kiko jiko yiko na matemo ana akorete oyo okorete busa so how do you value my C plus na kandidate 7500 ngamegwikara sama matemo yoko irora noyo okoreta matemo ya registered na serikali KCSE I've already got discrimination ya soire those are some of the factors you are raising ngore matemo yako kwa
igwete nkoro munde nkwana some of us into bwata bana bare candidate yegente kigia CBC kipsea kaijisea ebintu birane binge my brother lakini tatekora irania ba na inji gose bali batoligereti mwanya getinge wherever se bali mbatebinga a ministry of education na go tware budget ya nene sana over 600 billion
yeah
na ko banyoliga mwalimu tora kwa ne kyo timanyeti ngakyo tora kwa neck teachers bali ya leta te buna invigilators supervisors baraka no their stipend no bali no ma de goze ngoro tora kanu it is a going concern we get about a government lion share as a coganda Ministry of Education as an on here more than 600 billion yakarojiko gandoro kwa manyakonyoranga months after ba magete exam keke ba chiete bagakora supervision amatemu asokire paka nende tuwarengere ya matemu anda chance July abalimu bali bakolete supervision ya matemu na invigilation imbanya kwa kanu stipend yapo how fair are we look at the amount of money babegeta alinga 7,000 10,000 that's huge amount of money bono lende no yamba iwaka na moina chibese nyinga ibakoira I'm looking at it na machiri korange gente kene cash kaogete kale kochimotua abata eteko leta omundo gete ntobwata CASNEP mono accountants bako kana na secretaries bako anda bakora kwanyoranga naboko gwa lite muno ne elimo uchunguzi nere yakol some other students baikire bako tebanga ego chayaika elevo gete ngakigete okonyoranga e body etebwate besa buyeyo yamwanga bono for us go generate income tigato yelia bana enamba gete if we have students bakora go CPA 1,500 bamanya koligereria abana 500 bayise ko yeliwa na batokoro some amount of money na that is very expensive it becomes a burden mo inaiga bona batokoligereria nga kerense mo miga migire ama temo mwana oguro ko litemo elimo ose subject ya yamo omanyero tenga bono elibusabo korwa yani mbara akora no ema aberanga ngwatemete kokawo mole moyo mogoka ende gwate ngabono nonye kwagwete chibeza chinenjira my point neye nonye Dr. Magale oyobeke kina gikenya Magale oyobeke kina kelia he was more concerned with the amount of money chibekiralia we also asking ourselves bono lende ngibatara akanira kose it is also possible chibese je chikalire chiane kichile kwa kana bali girie ncherenga yoko chakoliki chibese je invigilators and supervisors asoko register because imbaru the deadline here 28 asoko register bara nyole rusaba sabe chiba kana supervisors and invigilators it is becoming a serious and a big problem finally timanye tingi kiabe Ministry of Education ntoranyora mondo boli buyego ko manage agent machokona achetalia agatema asanyarete migosi chire but seemingly ngotemale migosi tara ndorara bakongmona sebe lakini esho eye otigire ministry yake ko barani enchiragete ndorara leadership you know abone kana bali mu ba complaining ndora aganwa
tikatoiko kurwa so mwalimu mwenyene inki kiagereta singencho we don't preempt so much asingenche kinangira se court in as much as amatemo are concerned inuna balimu inki kiabete motara akano wikiraboni especially in vigilante supervisors
inki takwana kiri mayete taribone gatokore serikali gutaga gutene guchaya bali yani gukora ibintu giteiga yani okonyora ngamo gukora mwama kimwakora mwaganye mishara mwaganye ibintu gitekna andri kende kwaegwa ibintu giteiga keigorende ngangwa jituka makia matema gaso
so
lakini no manyete nga bale the live scripts na wana teto task ya CS Machogu did well alifanya kazi abana baitu bagusiba gwete bobe jende kote ibono iga abana baitu bagusi
abayereti kugose
Mr. Nani ne kine korto bokora gete because omwana bakonyara bwate C+ lakini there is no cause yako gani ndege mwana makoro botuki ino abantu ba media kara koro botuki gusi umuntu bwate B minor lakini there is no cause yako gani njike ndo natebe why
Aku pintu ini kemarin aku tak terasa permunta buat C+. Aku setiap kan aku mau tetap ada gitu saya ini. C+ nama itu.
Because C+ go chikore that's a direct qualification.
Tega tega ina career tu buat itu dong ngesap. It is the art of any course yang jasa kogenda. For instance, yo nyawa di university. Tu buat tu mulai mokoro kunga English yo se Kiswahili. Lakini mwana English. Like now if you want to do law or second girls, egesongo is automatically watu wale people.
So muntu njendo na bakanyore C+ you overall grade.
Tega tango tebe bone njerege teke the system ya kiyo obie enjere kukanganya abantu na nende ngote yabana baitu bagusi. Tobe makini. Tikabera nesu kuru basome. Like now you can have but vegetenga two subjects chile compulsory. Maths egesongo negeswae o segeswae echinjo na chibere bako chore egesongo segeswae another 5 from any subject meaning abako nyora agiriki obwate jogra yobwate ugatwara osengendo gete meti point ya kinire 12 times 3 kiachiro 36 kokonya kosu kokonyora gwachire igoro mire monere optional mete optional mire mogitoko kora korengana with your passion jote tokora lakini bona kero ko ende career tubwate mire mogitero no chokore nga kyora kore no nyochi okotere ngesa tuare maina
ya kongusire
egesongo ono agmista yangote tete kore nga bande airtime yabo onye ndiri tuataka na shiana bantu gete ba make matemo ande tu bwana sengo magia ni sengo bwana na magi na bana gira betenga kana yani onye ndiri bare ta live scripts there must be something our CS did not take charge maybe don't be a convivial more especially to our Kisi councils and I want to talk this before the media that omwana minto ku migosi ata ko yenda tige kineke atiga abana bairore ngora igo ekiagera abana they have been disappointed bakora matemu tigu narimo wondi yango boli nkike gekogera bono komnyokia abana obakori mutinyo saba sabo oyo nako tie project na ya Greek ndiri bagosbege bias bias ye biras bibe you know let me ask you it does not have jokes itonya wapali abana bibe you know it is wrong and it's wrong because you should be told and call it public participation to the people on the ground tomokonye kwesa riae ndaga nega mentie kwenda kama bi 2027
tiatocha sara
omwalimu tira kwake employer yawe igo
tiatocha sara ni atomanya sengencho omwalimu ke akobori
no maana gukwana
omotinyo igo saba indi biazi bigo cha biama and of course wizara iya korete what we call engage stakeholders ase ogwikirana kobekano nyamatemo yomotinyo gatano kabere buso gwikirana ebinto getega stakeholders mba beta consulted
again yo ane consultation ya beta timai tinga kitanya hata because in 20 years mungu tukoja kanya watu warenge because it was a surprise for jamu tema kwa sokanga we have decided ngo je matamuja kwa anya ya beta yori union information to achiko digi mo na nero ndio mwalimu robeta ta baga project yo mjini sana mai to mwana yo de kwa matema aya korete last year igonza chinde tanyo atenza chinge choko soma ai kere mune bongo ya takere go ikera ndia ko joka be sira pasi ko talinga ikotalinga ni kama nyete ko tali kama tema ya kwa kwa it means nata kere ko tuara time che choko soma agere asoma agere ko nyalgo ya nyama mboli ya ko tokese ama tema ya ko kwa mwana ke kwa moko ke mutinyo sawa wakandire chiba chiri kusana nebere ne chimisano ko chigoro obanda pa efani wechi bazinga kiko nyara ande gako kuna anda ko rungo mwako ko chana no mutinyo kata na kabere and then akarogo te baigamna wana amate mambo for example bata bange tro ko irora then wabere propose ni ko rora bagochi then ngai togo tika mo for example TVET institutions to adabi rora nga nyeto je university nota ke kwenda at TVET institution ni amenta tama masomo korenga je university si plan ya na bado si plus ile week ko ngaranga ende university
so what next na kwenda TVET ko sino ko irora ndige njere kwa university so that's the question. So are we promoting Ojo Tachiti University, Aurora and University, or Ojo Tachiti University and the TVET? So then why are we empowering these TVET institutions?
Tiga solo entrar ni buat di puja semua tiga tora.
Mwalimu aga chiri yake. Alalao mwalimu ara atimuka ake. Gozi kere pasa no. From the look of things, akoranga ebirenge na ibule byo mwalimu akoranga egente ke migozi na bata kera ke bwatoke. Kia mobile kerito. Nende ngojere aba circumstantial anytime minister korwa some of those orders or ultimatums, some of those decrees, I got the again to a policy which go change here. If they are not careful about when you're in trouble, it is the same thing to water with Chief Shah. Maybe changing resistance. We call you manage we are Omanyago Kenya. I think I aborted this thing from, but I tend to believe in some times back, some universities used to do bridging courses.
Yeah.
Some courses in Cherichia bridging. I think that could be the understanding. If it is bridging, no bridge some courses. Tiga clear and bridging university because the same thing. Because you back high education and research. It should be very clear that abana balimu agud at the university level. To a neck or bridging at the university. Tiga neck bridge so clear balimu agud you can bridge your courses or subjects. Chirichirense monyore rapid results within a very short time. Go so monto decide if it is one subject on your kora under that arrangement rather than pushing it go moina abana babandu bako zakora matemu November na abakora matemu July. What is the big deal? Ingi motare kwa mwera rende nga ntobu ata accelerated program ama temu akora no after 3 months bamanya ngarende ekenege ntokere special kebekire kando rather than kokebeka ko jimoina iga ebiasi no abiko ire metie tato byaba biba
tiga tocha so mwalimu erinde tunya kwa toko kwandra ensemega ye time to passing encho ntoto yetiko predetermine what will be the outcome kurase e court asenje kenege ntokega ntatekera active in court. But what if amatemwaiga okay according to July, what will be the timeline? Sasa ngencho nyora ba ko mbari baga entrate syllabus week November abari mumbaga entrate ko kwati syllabus ige kirane ngogo chiko tendra matemwaiga July ngogo chiko mark na ande ngogo chiko ne kinga abari ko abangu kirane bara matemwa senjeringia because these are the same teachers baga entrate ko somi, these are the same teachers na ande ba minyoga tiko ikira matemwa yanda November
kwa ngere buna nalengere to kwandire paka kwa puli ambutike kina kwa yakobori Clinton omuralia amatema ko July for instance tariko individual tasi barabia maybe abari abasigari be county tariko ga tariko
bona yo mwalimu totainga kimogo chikweba
I want to say ke ba ke kortari at what point mogo chikomakia matemo haya omwana ole bogirango mate ndonyo roroki sare ndi yako cha Kisii county akora matemo ikomono okorana ne serikali ye nekabwate ketego tanga ki omwana mweta chiri ayeta chiri na mogo chakora matemo e county because at the end of the day you know mwata akora matemo for 3 weeks for instance okurubukira ngamate yora smacha komweta we ikiaga matema ko within the county abana be county baraimoka abana 2000 ozeri butatu ikiaga gusiara abana bagwete batebe tutete kuirora bono tete konte be serikali plan kiebugate eba bato kuichi pass chichi sukuru baba transport goje county bakora matema chi project cha jirende ndo kitobacha batebe ngagenda nkorerie umwana uyu chemistry mbache banga kane currently bali wakana bantu ba chemistry bakoria abantu practical tiapa tigete kama nikore gake mono ko yani ke ko ngito bono iga serikali ikote bangane yani kire ngende go chaka ige kwete standard 8 barona ali sibeti school mata part mate bare form tu bono iga serikali ya cuando todo kwa interview to kambori bana bono kwa lenga ngone kina kwa lenga ukamburi abana mote baje sukuru baje form 1 ngachuko bali si guchi kiterio ko use
lakini algo ko boringa kibai kete form onya
baba kete igo serikali by the way
ukababega form
to ko nangirga kimwa device sometimes binde
kuradi ko mwarimu kaba admit bagaso school
the ministry said that you know it's a directive from the ministry accept any student who did not sit for the exam. That's where form 1 KCP. We accommodated them. Bono ngabanye kweboriga. Baikira form 2. Kabono. Abana babugate certificate ya KCP. Batabugate. Igobona bari amana baramugo. Iba bachokola nama ngachono you know standard measure ya abana. 2 mandara kora. Ekerenga kiasi kia matema koro akolo ku national ni kikirinto. Matema national mo kwa mwensi nki. It is just a sign of unity. Engamna sports. Moko wa kumupira mwaka yacho gawa no kaba tested at the same level toro yo baki oyo we ekero kwa matemu jula mwana minto. The 2025 ya dokoria yande mutu kuna limo. Standard esa tu gedre ngacho kunya tangaza bono is that a standard measure at the same. I my brother girito jige tona kwa ni geringa ki ende kuke ko le yo kibisanyo kwa na iga na kwa ndeka kwa to boba for the first time kidio sikisema metero mongenya sana obedi ministry for a long time lakini akwa ntro boba ngaki ngano ya bale just county pale ngane bindebie code eke code ya te by on 12 this month on 12 to konyora ba nyori ko register baneka account ama te mwa ko kontera ko mutenyo kuna limo lakini rende serikali yeye ibintu bya byonse byobugate mbiyo abantu bande cy'isukuru basome bakora batemu mutenyo kuna
mbia mano mwarimu we can feel you tutaranyora parting shot asengenjo chinsa chere kero mutanyore jo gukora narege gajeria kirubo kurwa sensemo ya Bahrain agotebanga waziri pia anaweza kuwa anaogopa kuongea challenges is facing in education world because moment agotebanga changamoto nchiroro immediately atanyanganywa kiti mwingine apewe so it makes him to be cool ine nkwa na Nigeria kirubo negatia abandi bagante gusangana ntwe Teresa Kemto Ogembo Peterson abatabanga ndake ndire gwika mwazira maoka ya retired but this is a sensitive topic kero kwanda chisem because education is the equalizer asoko kora tikatonya wale nkwana yago yo mwerio twanyara ko batogusanga manga segi karo but
biamono inche ase ensemo education I think we are not doing so well in terms of administration of exams kianek no enkepsea no nyenkejesea all these things I think there must be a disconnect somewhere lakini moving forward Minister Education go ikacha ikaanza na timu yae na semi autonomous government organizations bachena a formula yogo either communicate under policy formulation barenga kibara akole reviews chiabo ndege ndokende kia muhimu public participation in as much as totanye roche I want to believe mba akole taragini from the understanding yo mwalimu ga because na already presented elsewhere akoranga mba akole a critical component ya public participation which is a challenge igonere buya una chikoti chia tebire egende baraga shelf barake beka kando possibly the best way out a well thought out strategy ngakibarake rete na lira konyo finally onse koligereria Omorali Clinton a level ya investments ya babiboli ba make especially from the primary level some school fees ya babiboli ba wakane chire extremely high at the level ya primary okosomyo mwana a primary fees ere igoro kobwa university and the other colleges. So it is so painful konyoranga kwa university aso mwana oyo omanya go ikaigora ose grade 6 ose form 1 ose grade 9 omanya ko ba frustrated. It becomes a big problem nonye omoyiboli akonyoro very embarrassed. At the level go ika form 4 kwa university ko runse pakaga kwa manya konyoro mwana ofeliri bono you get disappointed. Further, to add an insult to injury, kwa manyagote bunga mwana no nyofereti subject yiyo yemo, egento bono koro goja gwaka na 7,000 to manyako moa lite mo moti nyo saba. Really?
Na kong tikato ja soro to tara ko raso mwarimu parting shot ya ga se butko bwale.
Mwalimu Rovito na boiko Dennis Orieki head of state commendation again to ebirange bya banda bange siko ga birenga maybe the minister for was a cabinet secretary for education is not in charge, maybe. And if he is not in charge, then who is in charge in the ministry? Because the presidency I never failed. That is the mutual understanding and the mutual feeling outside here. So he should find a way you guys so kaiskoga in the presidency have failed. Na ande no na feeling aki ekene whatever question to bata ko civil training or secretary to bata ko ministry of education, then the response should be coming from the minister or the cabinet secretary himself.
Thank you, madam. Briefly, parting shot ya na.
Parting shot main dengan ACS orang orang gue di mana main dengan dia ciloke now jadi kita ada dengan cawe di orkes koba boleh na ini tak ada mumoko kita ada dengan dia ibu gue di sekitar ada ministry apa mana tak stop ini untuk kita ada dengan we have to wait for another circular eche ekiagira bono egumete bono mate mutinyona osaba takorteki korengere kuana kurigere kaiyo above all jere tunataya abantu baito tugwatra negas bakukise county abantu bomwaje tikatokera ndo kusukuma bari bataranyora nek mani bare mereri karo kende me was back into college chibes na nyana chiche ba ngoligia ba ngaina abantu ngaya register mutinyo saba muminyo ke mo register kumbe ke kukubere chibes batake tabaka na abantu bandiya no yake ikote lakini ngenda ke mutata kokona kyo mo yali
Briefly.
Kyo mo yali Kenya CB business camp
chine chinkwana cho mwalimu Dennis Rogito daktari kurwase skuru ensemedia bonjana bogo Dennis Orioki HSC Haruno Toto Nyengire. Thank you so much aso kwenekia entunde iga Tanzania so enteme igo mutenye go okabero mo akoyega wechirubere na mangobere na isano nkobera senchirengia tomera nande Jumapili kwa chase karo kya gatemera mwanchu muri gambia mona tos kare sengenjo chideka nkega gachire bosyo nkorana nda semesa yeki onga chinsenye asenchira yo bwikera.
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Nilan Hub ni